because she's so stocky.
Oh, right.
So the neck, her neck is bigger than most dogs of that weight.
Huh.
Oh.
So she actually has a collar for dogs that are supposed to be bigger, like 10 to 12. I wonder if her neck is as big as Scout's, you know?
Or, you know, it might. Look how Scout looks so narrow on
Yeah,
the
she
neck
looks
compared to
stocky.
her.
She's got
You know.
that terrier neck,
Yeah.
bulky.
That.
Oh, take it easy, girl. You're scaring me a little bit.
I don't know.
You're scaring me. She's gonna crash into the wall.
Got distracted. Oh, I bet your tea is ready.
Nice.
Do you want any cream and sugar?
Oh, no, thank you. Okay. Oh, man. That's a happy dog. Did you see her freak out when you
Do you
got
want
here?
some help carrying out?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. No, I didn't see when you got
She
it.
got really, really excited as soon as she figured out where we were. And then she started looking for her
Yeah.
because she was in the house. Did you
Oh,
see that? And then the second Mike opened the door, she went for her. Oh. Little buddies.